Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for interior design. To begin, create a dedicated Notion page for each new project. Within this page, establish a central database to meticulously track every design element, from furniture to finishes. This setup allows you to efficiently organize all project phases, manage budgets, and streamline client communications, ensuring a smooth workflow from concept to completion. It's a powerful way to keep everything. Next, let's dive into managing your design elements. Within your database, categorize every item, whether it's a sofa, a paint swatch, or a flooring sample. Add essential properties such as cost, precise dimensions, and supplier information. Crucially, attach high-resolution images and direct links to products. This creates a comprehensive visual library, making it incredibly easy to reference and present design choices to clients, saving you valuable time and effort. Beyond content, strong community engagement is vital. Make it a priority to respond to viewer comments within 24 hours, showing appreciation and fostering connection. Actively participate in Fire MC community events and discussions, becoming a recognized and valued member. Always maintain a positive and respectful online presence, as this reflects well on your channel and your potential for media rank. Finally, let's enhance client communication and deliverables. Design dedicated pages within Notion for compelling client presentations and inspiring mood boards. Securely store all important documents, including contracts, invoices, and detailed design proposals, ensuring easy access. Furthermore, maintain a clear, organized record of all client feedback and revision requests. This systematic approach ensures professional communication and efficient delivery of all project components, building strong client relationships.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.